Hi, my name's Julie. I'm an independent Kaszazz consultant based in Victoria, Australia. I'd like to just show you a quick video on how to do the distressed direct-to-paper technique using the distress ink pads. This is a sample of a card that I've made using the technique. So I'm going to use some paper here. This is just some photocopy paper or printer paper. It's 80 GSM. And I'm using this because it's thinner and you want to be able to do this. Screw it up. It's the first thing you need to do. Now the amount you screw it up will then affect how much ink you end up with on the paper. So if you want lots of ink, you want to screw it up tighter. If you don't want as much ink, screw it up a little bit looser. So you're just going to screw it up and then untangle it again. Of course you can use any colour distress ink that you like. I'm going to use the Wilted Violet, one of our newer colours today. So screw it up and just uncrumple it again and smooth it out a little bit, not completely flat. Now because the distress inks have the little raised section on them, it makes it much easier for doing these direct paper techniques. You're just going to swipe the ink pad across your paper and you see it catches on all the raised sections. So it gives you the ink on the raised sections. Then we're going to spray it with a bit of water, and distress ink reacts with water. So what that will do is it will bleed out a little bit, and you can see it's starting to do that already. I'll try and hold it up so you can see that as well. And it will continue to bleed out until it's dry. So you can leave it go and just let it do its own thing, or you can dry it with a heat tool and it will stop reacting once you dry it. Now what you can also do with this is you can do it in two colours. So you do your first colour, let it dry, and then you can add a second colour, which is what I've done with this card here. So I've done the blueprint sketch, the blue coloured distress ink, and then the picked raspberry. And that's come out really nice. And then I've used one of our new ins and out stamps. So this one says another year older, and inside, and loving it. So I hope I've inspired you to use some distress inks today. If you'd like to know more about how to use them, contact me or contact your local Kaszazz consultant. Thank you.